welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing how I make native soup. The fish will be, as in everything I'm going to be using for this is going to be fresh, direct from the sea. I went to the sea to get my fish, my prawns, everything. So the leaf I'll be using is Oziza, very fresh Oziza leaf. This is Oziza seed. This is my pepper, some sea snails, some periwinkles, my shrimps and prawns, and this red snapper fish. You can use catfish. I use catfish a lot. Like I just wanted to change the taste this time. So the lemon is actually to clean the fish, so that awful, let's say, smell that comes from fresh fish. Be kind of subdued. Yeah. So in a pot, I've cleaned my fish. So I have the fish here, I have the sea snail. I'm cooking the sea snail at the beginning because it's the toughest thing to cook in this soup. So I added some bouillon cube, some salt. There's no need to add onion. You can add, but it will be too sweet. Soup is already sweet on its own. So I added some pepper, like enough pepper. I blended the pepper so that the fish gets full heat. Already clean my prawns. Look at what I brought out from the prawns and shrimps. So I cooked all as in the fish and the seasoning without adding water. See, this fish vex me sha. I usually use like catfish karaka for this so it will not pieces, but I wanted to try a different thing. So this red snapper fish is also good, like it doesn't scatter, but this one is like the baby type. It don't have the big one, and I really wanted to eat this soup, so I just couldn't wait, for another day. I just bought this one like that because I didn't want to use catfish. Now look at everything don't scatter. So it's inside the soup, so we enjoy it. It's really taste of soup. So we'll still leave this our snail to continue cooking because it's very strong. Like I don't know what they used to clean this snail that is very strong with this. I just went in with the blended potato seed. I use water to blend my seed. So I allowed the water to boil. Now I'm going in with the periwinkle, the prawns and shrimp. The thickener for this soup is cocoyam. So you can use a ofo. Don't use that, you can use ofo, but the best is cocoyam. It has to be taste. I mean, there is this sweet or unique taste it gives the soup. So I sorry I did not show you my cocoyam as in from beginning. I already prepped the cocoyam before I even started the soup. You know how to cook your cocoyam, you know how to cook and blend it. So I'll be adding my fresh red oil. At this point, guys, my red oil is so fresh, so tasty. I wet from my village. It was sent from the village. So I allow the water to boil, like everything, marry each other. Guys, are you subscribed to my channel? Have you? I have great content, so and go through my videos, and search for whatever I feel like. You see everything in this channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. I'm waiting with some salt. I'm adjusting the seasoning at this point. See, this soup doesn't require dry fish. If I offend you, Namuna, forgive me. I just have to add a little because I too much like it. But you can skip it because it doesn't require it. especially when you're using as a character, all those matured fish is a big fish. So I brought out my fish because I didn't want everything to finish now. So I'm adding the fish back now that the soup has balanced, like the taste is, so that it will suck in the goodness of the soup. Lastly, I'm adding my fresh Oziza seed. Remember, I added Oziza seed at the beginning. The essence of that Oziza seed is to give the soup that background hotness. So just cover and allow to simmer for 2 minutes, and our soup is ready, guys. Like this soup, hey, it tastes so good, I must tell you, and it goes well with anything fufu. Could be cassava fufu, oatmeal fufu, plantain fufu, you know, because of the smoothness. Let me remind you again to subscribe to this channel. Give the video a thumbs up and share my video with your families and friends. Tell them about Ella. Bring them to my channel. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I love you. I love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Folks. Bye.